resume. Now, how are they looking at you? What are they looking for? Money, right? Can we make money? Well, if I want to make money with you, the first thing I'm going to do is look and see if you've made some money before. Different roles you've played, or maybe directors you've worked with, or something to say, oh, look, Gene Frankel, I know who that is. To have a conversation, because we're people, we want to connect. That's all we want to do is make connection. I would take off all references to years. Some people put they were in school at a certain age, or they graduated at a certain year. Take it off. They're going to narrow their focus and limit you through their perception enough as it is. Don't make it easier for them to do so. Training is very important in New York, so if you've trained at some good establishments, and by the way, if you're a working actor, you should always be in a really good acting class somewhere. For no other reason to keep your chops up, but to have something to say when you've got nothing else to say. Special skills. Now this is a tough section, but here's what I say a special skill is. If there's 100 people in the room, you do it better than 98 of them. That is a special skill. Languages, you guys, that should be the first thing on your special skills. If you speak another language fluently, that opens up a marketplace for an agent. It's a second market, right? Make your name really big. Make your contact information easy to find. I've seen people that, great, their name's really big, but I've had to look all over for their, contact info. Just make it easy for people to find you and hire you.